Introducing TruBind's TB-C20A, a manual binding machine for 19-ring comb spines. Here's a look at its key features. The handle punches your documents and closes your combs. The adjustable depth margin provides 3 depth sizes based on the thickness of your project. The adjustable side margin allows you to line up your holes. The throat has a punch capacity of 20 sheets of 20-pound paper per punch. The 21 pins are disengageable, and the fence holds your comb in place. Here's the TB-C20A in action. Select one of 3 depth margin sizes. Use the side margin to align your holes. Disengage the necessary pins. Pull down the handle to punch, then place your comb on the fence with the opening on top. Align your documents face down, then close the comb to complete your project. Enjoy the freedom of making edits at any time with the versatility of your comb spine and TruBind's all-in-one TB-C20A binding machine. And before you store it away, don't forget to empty out the built-in waste bin. Thanks for watching another how-to video by Lamination Depot. For this machine and many other products, check out our one-stop shop, laminationdepot.com.